everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Super Stories namhlanje sikhuluma ngethonga. Nakho guys ongasukulindele ke kuleli viki ke elizoqala. Njengoba nibone guys ukuthi ke we were all hoping ukuthi ke uPhinda udubule uma wakhe washona, yabo. But ke guys bathi ke uSanele uzokwazi ke ukusindisa ke impilo ke kaMama Mfethu. Ukuthi uSanele beqhamuka kuphi we don't know guys. The storyline lesi ayishem asihlakani kahle, and abantu they are complaining ngey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi uphela lo mdlalo. Well guys, uyaphela ngemhla 27 February, so uyagcina kule nyanga esikuyona. Akasho lutho ngo-season 2 wakhona, kodwa nje abantu abasawufuni lo mdlalo, and I don't think ukuthi sizobona ke u-season 2. So uSanele guys uzosindisa ke impilo kamama ke uFaith, and ke guys bathi ke uPapa wena uzocela uPhinda ukuthi ke ahambe obulela ke both uSanele kanye ke nomama ke uFaith, okuwumama ke kaPhinda. So yeah guys, then how leli viki elizoqala ke lizobe lingakhona. Yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.